Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, we will start inshallah. While waiting the others, we're going to start our lesson today inshallah, because this lesson today will be a bit long. And this will be the last topic for the Al-Wahdatul Ula. That means unit 1, and we will be proceeding to the unit 2 next Saturday inshallah. So the unit 1, that was all about al-marhalat al-shafawiyya wal-huruf, that was the level for the Arabic alphabet iteration, pronunciations. And then, of course, that will be included the memorization of the Arabic alphabet. And next will be al-marhalat al-thaniyya. So we will be proceeding to the level, unit 2 next Saturday, inshallah. So welcome everyone. Let's start our lesson today, inshallah. And we'll come back to the Arabic language NMILP batch for level 1. Al-Kitab al-Awwal, book 1 for Allimni al-Arabiya, teach me Arabic. So we will start now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم علمنا فيما لم نعلم ينفعنا فيما علمتنا يا أرحم الراحمين. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار وادخلنا الجنة مع الأبرار يا عزيز يا غفار يا أرحم الراحمين. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now in our lesson, Ad-Dars al-Sabi'. Ad-Dars al-Sabi', Maharat Hijaiya. So we need to have these Arabic alphabet skills about the al-aswat al-tawila, al-aswat, the sounds, the plural form of the word sawt, 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 sad, fatha sa, waw sukun, saw, then ta, open ta like this, ta, tanwin dhamma, tun, sawtun. That is the singular form of the word al-aswat. That means salt is the sound and al-aswat is the sounds. Al-tawila, al-tawila, that means long. So the long sounds, or we can say the elongated sounds. So in Arabic, we need to learn this al-huruf al-tawila, the long vowels letters. So proceeding to this lesson, we need to make it a little bit faster because the amount of the lesson today will be a bit longer. So I will let you first listen from this audio, then we will go to the explanation of the lesson. All right. Okay. All right. So at Dars al-Sabi', we are now in lesson number 7. So we are now going to focus on al-mad bil alif. Al-mad, that means extension, to be extended. The pronunciation, the sound will be extended with the alif, long vowel, and that is what you can see here, which is in red color. So everybody, you say after me as what is the instruction saying here. Istami' thumma raddid. Listen very carefully and then say it after. So I will say it to you and say it after me. Waw fatha wa. Everybody, even if your microphones are muted, then you say it. Everybody, wa. Then after saying wa in short vowel, now you have to prolong with long vowel alif. Wa. Say it again. Wa. See the difference? Wa. Wa. Then the example for the short vowel. Walada. Walada. And for the long vowel alif, walid. Walid. So you prolong. Next, ka fatha ka. Then you say ka. Prolong. Ka. Ka. And the example for the short vowel ka, kataba. Kataba. And for the long vowel, katib. Katib. Next, the ha fatha a, ha, short vowel, ha. Long vowel, ha. Example for the short vowel, hamala. Hamala. So be careful with the pronunciation. Don't say ha, hamala. No. What is correct is ha, hamala. And for the long vowel, ha, hamil. Hamil. Now, take note. Every time you encounter the word that has long vowel alif, that has al-maddu bil alif, remember this always as your guideline. Even if you cannot see or you will not see the fatha on the top of the letter, any of the letter, even if you will not see the fatha on the top of the letter, followed by the long vowel alif, the short vowel of that letter will be always fatha. Will be always fatha. All right. So please remember that guide for the al-maddu bil alif, the long vowel alif. So let us proceed to the next page. So now, after having al-maddu bil alif, number 2 is al-maddu bil waw. Al-maddu bil waw. And listen from this audio. All right. So look at here. The maddu bil alif. What I said to you for the al-maddu bil, sorry, this is al-maddu bil waw. What I said to you for the al-maddu bil alif, the maddu bil alif that will be accompanied always with fatha. All right. And for al-maddu bil waw will be always accompanied with a short vowel, dhamma. Dhamma. See this one? Nu. You cannot say now. That will be different. If you say now, that is madlin. So the noon here with dhamma, because the long vowel after noon is waw. After the noon is waw. So everybody, say after me, nu, nu. Next, nu, nu. An example, nur, nur. Next letter, ru. Ra, dhamma, u, ru. Then, with the long vowel, ru, ru. Example, murur, murur, murur. Great. Next, sin, dhamma, u, su, su. No prolongation. Then with elongation, wow, su, su. The next, sur, sur, sur. Now, observe that today's lesson, I am not giving you the translation of the word like nur, murur, sur. Why? Because now we are focusing on reading. We are focusing on how the al-mudud, the al-aswat al-tawila, the long vowels, the long elongated sounds will be familiar to every one of us. Okay? So this is very important thing. You are learning Arabic, but put in mind that whatever you are learning in this lesson, in this subject Arabic, similar to you are also learning the reading of the Quran. Okay? Because this Arabic, the same what is in the Quran. So we are done with al-maddu bil waw. If you have some questions and clarifications, you can interrupt while I am giving you the explanation. If you don't understand something, then you can raise your hand and you can speak to me, inshallah. All right. So let us proceed. The next slides, after the al-maddu bil alif, al-maddu bil alif with fatha, and al-maddu bil waw with dhamma, and now we have al-maddu bil ya. Al-maddu bil ya. So meaning, in the Arabic language, the same in the Quran, we must consider that in the words that are written in the Quran and in the Arabic, there will be al-mudud. There will be al-aswat al-tawila. There will be an elongated letters, and that are the alif, the waw, and the ya, three letters taken from the Arabic alphabet, the alif, waw, and ya, and we are now in al-maddu bil ya, and listen from this audio. Okay, so again, the key to remember and understand, what was the short vowel for the alif? The short vowel for the alif, that was fatha. And the short vowel for the waw, that was dhamma. And you are now in al-maddu bil ya. The short vowel of the ya is the kasra. All right. So now, 1 second. So you have the example, you can say after me. B, ba, kasra, I, B. And then with the elongation, ya, al-maddu bil ya, B, B. So the short vowel is kasra, not fatha and not dhamma. B. And then the example of the word kabir. Kabir. You cannot say kabir. Kabir. No, because you have the ya here to prolong. Kabir. Next, waw, kasra, I, we. We. Then prolong, we. Example, walid. Walid. Next, mim, kasra, I, me. Me. And then prolongation, ya. mi, mi, yaminu, yaminu. You can see the ya in the middle. Ummi, the ya in the end. So you can also observe the shapes or the strokes of the letter ya after the letter like ba or waw or mim. So if it is in the middle, you will find the ya like this. And if it is in the end, you will find the ya like this shape. Okay, of course, waw, kasrawi with prolongation ya, we, and it is in the end, it cannot be connected from the waw. But if this ya will be in the middle, the same to walid, so you need to write the ya like this, and then there will be next letter after the ya. Okay, so these are the three al-aswat al-tawila, the three elongated sounds, the mad, al-maddu bil alif, al-maddu bil waw, and al-maddu bil ya. Please remember that always for you to be able to read Arabic, and especially you will be able to read the Quran. Next, you have the sukun. So listen to this audio. Excellent. So now, as sukun here, if we say in Arabic, we have the short vowel, fatha, a, kasra, I, and dhamma, u, and we have the long vowels, al-maddu bil alif, al-maddu bil waw, and al-maddu bil ya. We also have the vowel less. The vowel less, and we call that in Arabic as as-sukun, as-sukun. So there is no vowel. So no sound for the audio? Are you sure? You cannot hear me? Oh Allah. Maryland. How about Loida? Can you hear me? Can you hear my voice? Okay. When I play the audio, there is no sound, right? But when I speak, there is sound. My voice is okay. Okay, great. No problem. Because what is in the audio? What is it? Sorry. What is in the audio? The same what I am saying to you. So no worries, inshallah. If you cannot hear the audio, then khalas, I will not turn on the audio. So let us proceed. So we have the as-sukun, the vowel less. No fatha, no kasra, no dhamma. And of course, no tanween. No elongation. No elongation sound. All right. So where you can find the as-sukun, the examples, number one, mad rasa. It says mad rasa, and you have the small circle that you can find on the top of the letter, then that will be vowel-less. You cannot say mada, you cannot say madi, you cannot say madu, but mad, then rasa. And of course, sukun, you will never find from any nouns, from any word of the Arabic, sukun in the beginning. Sukun in the beginning. Except sometimes you will find hamzat al-wasal, alif and then lam, or alif and then the word hamzat al-wasal, you will find that alif will be sukun. That will be in different case. Okay? But focus on what we have here now. Next example, fik, ora. Fik, rah. The kaf, the one has the sukun. Fikrah. Okay, so the kaf. Next example, Muslim. Where's the sukun? On the sin. Muslim. So that is how simple to know about the sukun. So that is the sukun. Okay, so remember the sukun, if the letter, if you're going to read the Quran, you will find the sukun on the letter that is included to the al-qalqala. So instead of saying madrasah, you say madrasah, right? That is a different case, because if you are going to read the Quran, you need to emphasize the al-qalqala when you are reading the Quran. Okay, so now you can see here, the another examples for the as-sukun. You have the masjid, then the sukun on masjid is on sin. Then miq'ad, the sukun is on qaf, miq'ad. Then usrah, so the sukun is on the sin. All right, so remember always, very easy. You will just find that small circle on the top of the letter, then that will be a sukun. Next, you can see here, listen and put the sukun on one letter as you hear from the CD. So you have the exercises here. We are not going to stay long here because we have a very short time. So listen from the word and tell me which letter the sukun placed.
Ustad Nusang.
All right, you can open your microphones. The first word, it says a'mal, a'malu. Where is the sukun? A'malu. Where's the sukun in this word? The sukun is on ain. So you say a'malu, a'malu. Okay, ana a'mal, ana a'malu. So the sukun is on ain. Next, yaqra'u, yaqra'u. Where's the sukun? Anybody can tell me, please? You can participate. Where's the sukun on yaqra'u?
Kha, kha, Ustad.
Kha or qa?
Kha, kha, kha.
Kha or qa?
Kha, kha, Ustad. Kha.
This is qa. This is kha. Okay?
Kha.
This is kha. And this is qa. All right?
Kha.
Qa, qa, qaf. Qa. So yaqra'u. And not yakhra'u. Okay? Not ra'a, not yakh, but yaqra'u. Very good. Barakallahu fiqh. So the sukun is on qaf. Qaf, yaqra'u. Next, burtuqali. Burtuqali. Where is the sukun? Which letter? On which letter? Anybody can say? Yes, tell me. Only Loida de la Cruz with me.
Ra.
On ra. Very good. Burqali. So on ra. Next. Ahmar. Ahmaru. Ahmar. Where is the sukun?
Ya, Ustad, ya.
No, not in ya of Burtuqali. Here, ahmaru. On ha. Ahmar. Ahmar. All right. So clear. A'mal. Sukun on ain. Yaqra'u. Sukun on qaf. Burtuqali. Burtuqaliyun. Sukun on ra. Ahmaru. Sukun on ha. All right. So let us continue. We are done with the sukun. Now what is the next? So see that? Sukun on ain, on qaf, on ra, and ha. Next, what do we have here is al-ha wa ta maftuha wa marbuta. We have the al-ha and ta, open ta and marbuta. Okay, so you have this kind of ha, this ha, right? This ha, if it is independent, and this is ha if it is in the end, and this is the open ta, and this is ta marbuta. Somebody is writing, please. Ta marbuta if it is isolated or independent form, and the ta marbuta if it is in the end. All right. So listen to the audio. Oh, I don't know if you can hear the audio. Try one more.
Ustad, no sound.
All right, very good. No need for the sound. Sorry. Now, where is it? So what you have here, you can see this is the ha as I mentioned a while ago. If it is isolated, and ha, this is the ta isolated, open ta, this ta marbuta. Maftuha, this one maftuha. Marbuta, that means this one, marbuta. Maftuha is open, and maftuha is like close, okay? Marbuta, tight, tighten. So this is the end, if it is in the end of the word of ta marbuta. So what you need to do, you need to read and then write. So you need to rewrite this ha down here, ha, ta marbuta down here. And that will be your assignment at home. You can do that by yourself. All right. And then next, here, number 2, اقرأ ثم اكتب. You read and then you write. So you have here shariha, shariha, or sharih. Wajhun. So you have here isolated. Wajhun. So you have here connected in the end of the word. Baytun or bait. You have the open ta in the end. Kuratun. Kuratun. You can say after me. Kuratun. And you have the ta marbuta. Marbuta in the end of the word that is not connected from ra, because ra cannot be connected after. Sharikatun or sharika or sharika. Ta marbuta in the end of the word that is connected after kaf, connected from kaf. And then after reading, you write or rewrite again the word down 2 times. Okay, next. استمع وأكمل الكلمات بالحروف المناسب. Listen to the CD and fill with the missing letter. Since you cannot hear the audio from the CD, then you can see here. What is the missing letter from this one? Okay, so I think I need to listen by myself, because I need to give you the exact letters that are missing. All right. So the first word, if you are able to participate, what is the missing letter here? The first word. That is, nobody's answering, I'll give you. Ha, ظهر. See the ha in the middle? This is the shape. Okay? You can write that. You can rewrite that for you to learn. Then sharih, the ha, isolated. The same this ha, but this one is in the middle, and this ha is isolated, not connected from any letter. Then wajhun, ha, wajah, if it is connected, and if the ha is in the end of the word. Then open ta, bint, in the end. And kura, kuratun, ta marbuta, and the ta marbuta in the end, and sharika, ta marbuta in the end. The first one is isolated, not connected, and the second one connected. And you have here the imla, spelling. We will see first the spelling, and we are running out of time. All right. So the imla, the spelling, all of the words also taken from what is on the screen, as you can see here. All right. These are the spelling, meaning if you are able to do that at home, you can try to write each of the word without looking at your copy. Next, the shadda. So the shadda, you will find it on the top of the letter. That means doubling of consonant. Like for example, sukkar. Sukkar, the calf here has the shadda on the top. And if you're going to remove the shadda, the calf supposed to be are two calf. Calf and calf combined together. So instead of writing two calf, then put shadda on the top to make only one calf. The same thing, hummus. Hummus. Two mim, then remove one mim and put shadda on the top, then dhamma. Hummus. Then mudar, then ris. Mudar, ris. So instead of writing two ra, then remove one ra and put shadda sign on the top, then say mudarris. Mudarris. So this is how simple the shadda is. So because we have only remaining 8 minutes of our time. So this is another example of shadda. The first example, darasa, darasa. And if you like to make it shadda, there will be shadda that is in the middle, darasa, darasa. Okay? Zawara, zawara. Hamala, hammala. Tamam? Okay, so that is how we compare the word that has no shadda and the word that has shadda. And here, you can see here, the shadda sign, ashadda. The shadda in the word khabbaz. Khabbazun, the one who is making bread, the baker. So the shadda is on the ba, khabbaz. Then this one is buni, you can say bunni, bunni, that means color brown, okay? Or buniyun, bunayun, bunayun, the shadda is on the ya. That's depend, all right? If you like to say bunni, then on the noon. We can try to listen. See, bunni, all right? Then tabbakh, tabbakh, the ba has shadda. Then tuffah, the fa that has shadda. Tuffah, all right? So let us continue. That was the shadda, remaining time 6 minutes, inshallah. So now you have here the exercises, but you have the group of the letters as you can see on the screen, but we are going to focus on to the next what do you call this, the group of the letters. So you can see the pairs, this ha, this ha. So initial form, middle form, and final form, and the isolated form, not connected. And then the ta also, the ta and the. And as you can see the group if it is on initial form, middle form, and final form letters. You can see that. Then this one. All right. So next, you can see here the ha, dhamma, hu, huruf. That's example. The next, I will continue because no more time. 5 minutes remaining. Na, fathana, nahla. Then lisan, lam, kasra. So this is the lisan. Hilal, ha. Where's the ha, kasra? This one. Qalam, qaf, fatha. This one. Kitab, kaf, dhamma. Where's the kaf? Sorry, kasra, kaf, kasra. This one. All right. Then Muslim, mim, dhamma. Where's the mim, dhamma? This one. All right. Then Alamul Kuwait, Alamul Kuwait, the Kuwait's flag. Where is the Ain? Ain Fatha. This one is the Ain Fatha. And we still have 4 minutes remaining time. So this is the way how the letters will be familiarized for us and how you memorize the Arabic letters from isolated form into connected form, into a connected form in the middle, in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. And of course, the al-aswat al-tawila, the long vowels, alif, damma, sorry, alif, waw, and ya, and also the sukun and the ashadda that we studied today. All right. So look at here. What's the rest? Put square or circle around the letter ba or around fa. So you have here the first letter. This is the ba. Put circle. Next, that is ba. Then this is ba. Then this is ba. Then now for the fa. All right. You have the babun, basalun, badrun, and you have the fa, feel, feelun, and film, film, and faris, faris. Then now, what you need to do here, we are remaining 3 minutes. You need to separate the letters from the word. So yeah, you say here, you see here, Hamad, Hamad. So you separate the ha, this is the shape, the mim, this is the mim, and dal, this is the dal. So how you separate the next? So if you have time, you can do that by yourself at home. And I will show to you also here how the letters separated from each word. So the alam, it can be alam or ilm. So ain, lam, mim. So this is the shape if it is all together, connected all together. Qalam, qaf, lam, mim. Samak, samak, fish. Samak, sin, mim, kaf. And this is how if it is connected to each other. Jubnun, okay? Jubnun, jim, ba, nun. Isan, alif, sin, mim. The judge, dal, jim, alif, jim. So disconnected. Kurzun, kaf, ra, za or zay. Inab, grapes. Ain, nun, ba, al-Kuwait. Alif, lam, al, kaf, waw, ya, and ta, al-Kuwait. So this is how we separate the letters from the connected form of the word. Okay, so next you need to listen again. ثم ضع دائرة حول الكلمة. Put circle. Circle the word. Okay, so we will see. We will go together. This darb, haram, sindal, dars, ha, then sa. So they're mentioning the letter that which letter that is mentioned in number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, so that we put circle on it. Okay, so another here, you match the separated letters with the words. So Rassam, where is Rassam? This is the Rassam. Okay, number 5. And then Tabbakh is number 8. Mauj is in number 4. Najjar is in number 2. Khabbaz is in number 6. Bahar is in number 3. Then Ahmad is in number 1. And computer is in number 7. So very easy. Please, you can go back to this video. And we have remaining seconds in our time. And listen to this saying and shade the letters. You can shade it. Alhamdulillah. Al-ilmu nur. Insha'Allah. Man jadda wajada. Wa man zara'a hasada. MashaAllah. Then mumtaz. Next Saturday, we will be having our الوحدة الثانية inshallah, الطعام وشراب, food and drinks. This will be our lesson on Saturday inshallah, and that's all for today. وسبحان الله بحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك وجزاكم الله خيرا.